The velocity time graph below shows the velocity of trolley X before, during, and after the collision with trolley Y. Calculate the magnitude of the velocity of trolley Y immediately after the collision. While solving complicated questions, it's always a nice idea to draw a diagram with all the info provided in the question. For the question about collisions, diagrams usually consist of two parts, before and after. The first one can be seen on the screen. Masses of trolleys have been added on the diagram. These values have been provided in the preamble of the question. Graph on the screen consists of three parts, before, during, and after the collision. The first part shows the velocity of trolley X before the collision, which is 8 meters per second. It has been added on the diagram as well. Second part of the diagram displays two trolleys after the collision. Velocity of trolley X after the collision is 4 meters per second. This value is taken from the last part of the graph, which shows aftermath the collision. The main law or principle used to solve questions involving collisions or explosions is the law of conservation of linear momentum. According to that law, total linear momentum before the collision is equal to the total linear momentum after the collision. Both before and after the collision, trolleys are moving separately. Therefore, the total momentum can be represented as mass of trolley X times velocity of X plus mass of trolley Y times its velocity. Left side of the equation is the total momentum before the collision. According to the first diagram, mass of X is 1.2 kilograms, velocity of trolley X is 8 meters per second. Mass of trolley Y is 0.5 kilograms, its velocity is 0 as initially the trolley Y is at rest. The right side of the equation represents the total momentum of trolleys after the collision. According to the second diagram, mass of trolley X is 1.2 kgs, its velocity after the collision is 4 meters per second, mass of trolley Y is 0.5 kilograms, while its velocity is unknown. 1.2 times 8 plus 0 is equal to 9.6, and 1.2 times 4 is equal to 4.8, which can then move to the left side of the equation as minus 4.8. 9.6 minus 4.8 is equal to 4.8. The magnitude of the velocity of trolley Y can be calculated by taking the ratio of 4.8 and 0.5. The answer is 9.6 meters per second. In this kind of questions, usually 1 mark is allocated for one of these formulas. It's advisable to always start the solution with the first formula, as there is more chance of getting the second one wrong. 2 marks are allocated for substitution, 1 for each side of the equation. Final mark is allocated for the correct answer.